Polibambú twin wall panels from DVP is a novel polycarbonate product with integrated bamboo sticks for indoor and outdoor use. Its resistance and rustic design makes it an aesthetic and functional alternative, ideal for use on terraces, shaded areas, barbecue areas, or room separation. It also has a UV filter, which gives it greater resistance and durability over time. Polibambú DVP is available in 3 different sizes: 3.2 by 3.2 feet, 3.2 by 6.4 feet, and 3.2 by 9.6 feet. For applications on roof, it is recommended to have a slope of at least 10% and 20% in rainy zones. It is important to have all the necessary accessories for a correct installation: HCP connector profiles and polycarbonate base covers, tapes for sealing the alveoli, and self-drilling or self-tapping screws as appropriate to the structure's material. Before starting the installation, remove the gray protective film from the panel. On the other side, keep the protective film until the end of the installation. Only reveal each edge about 6 inches. To allow a correct drainage of the water, the panel must always be installed with the cells parallel to the slope. For outdoor use, consider sealing both sides of the panel. For a correct seal on the upper end, we will use aluminum tape combined with a polycarbonate base cover, and at the bottom, filter tape and the base cover. Lay the first panel on the structure with the protective polyethylene film that indicates the side with UV protection facing up to keep the alveoli watertight and avoid leaks. The panels should not be perforated. To fix them to the structure and join them together, use only the HCP profile. Fix the base of the HCP profile to the structure. Make sure the screws do not apply too much pressure on the profile. Once the profile is installed, arrange the first Polibambú panel on the left side and the second panel on the right side, keeping a distance that allows it to expand with temperature variations. Firmly press the profile's cover to its base using a rubber mallet. Continue adding sequentially until you reach the end of the structure. If the Polibambú exceeds the end, cut the excess panel in the direction of the slope, through the center of the alveoli. As in this case, the height of the Polibambú panel is not enough to cover the entire area. We use a second panel, which must overlap the first one in at least 6 inches, allowing the water to drain properly. Once the plates are installed, immediately remove the protective polyethylene film from the top. Do not let it stick with the sun. Find out more about our new Polibambú DVP and our entire line of polycarbonate solutions at our website dvp.cl and compare the attributes and benefits of its use in different applications. Polibambú DVP, warm and natural appearance.